Fruits and vegetables are a daily necessity, and their cleaning should be done thoroughly. Here, we will talk about the Ozone fruit and vegetable washing system. This system consists of a 3-compartment fruit and vegetable washer cum ozone cleaner. First, fruits and vegetables are washed in the first compartment to remove physical dirt and dust. Then, the produce is transferred to the second compartment, where they are further cleaned in a bubbler washer. Finally, they are transferred to the third compartment. Here, the produce is cleaned using ozone-enriched water to remove microbiological and surface chemical contaminants such as pesticides, insecticides, and fungicides. We ensure that fruits and vegetables are thoroughly cleaned. This is crucial for maintaining food safety and promoting good health. For more information on fruits and vegetable ozone cleaner, please contact Chemtronics.